Hello guys! Welcome to the second chapter of the course Instagram Marketing Hero. In this lesson, we're going to talk about creating an Instagram account. Let's get started. There are two ways you can create your account. First, you can download the mobile app on your mobile phone. Then open the Instagram mobile app. You can now register a new account using this app. Here, you can log in with your Facebook account or sign up with your phone or email. Let's sign up with an email address. Next, input your name and password. You have two options in order to continue. The first option is to continue and sync your contacts, and second is to continue without syncing your contacts on Instagram. Then add your birthday, click Next. This is the username that Instagram automatically generated for us. We can change this now, or we can do that later. Click Next. Then you can also connect your Facebook or skip it for now. If you haven't prepared your profile picture yet, we can upload it later. Instagram will suggest some Instagram profiles for you to follow. Browse the accounts you want to follow per category. We have successfully created our Instagram account using our Instagram mobile app. You can now start browsing your feed. As you can see, all the posts that we see on our feed are the accounts that we followed earlier. Second, you can use the web app. Just go to instagram.com and sign up for a new account. You have the option again to log in with your existing Facebook account and then put your Facebook login details. You will see your newly created account as you sign in, since Instagram will get your Facebook account details. Another way you can create a new Instagram account is to input your details here as you sign up. It's almost the same as signing up using the Instagram mobile app. That is how easy you can create a new Instagram account on your mobile device or using the web app. If you're going to use this for your business, I'm going to show you how to do that in the next lessons. Just keep on watching the next lesson so you can get to that lesson on how you can use your Instagram account for your business. Now you know how to create an Instagram account, we can now proceed to the next topic, which is choosing the best Instagram handle or username. I'll see you there.